Hi guys, Sam from DIB Audio Visual, just coming to you today with a quick video blog on food tech classrooms. This was a classroom that we did an upgrade on for a client of ours. They already had infrastructure in here, but it was not really delivering on the requirements, and we did to upgrade it to make it simpler to use and get some better picture quality in there. So in this particular instance, we chose a couple of 65-inch commercial panels after some debate about projectors and layouts and locations, and got them into a bulkhead location. We needed some switches. We had an existing ceiling camera that was a little bit tricky to use, so we integrated that and got it into the system and got it set up with a couple of presets so that the teachers could easily show different sections of the bench. So you can see here's one particular view at more of a preparation end of the bench, and which can be displayed on both screens. And then we've got a view at the cooking end of the bench. And as I say, the camera was already there. It was existing technology. We just helped to get simpler to use, and so save the client a little bit of money. And it was all integrated and controlled via a simple Extron MLC wall controller. So you can see we just got on and off, wireless, or otherwise in this instance known as Vivi. A lot of schools are using a HDMI input. The camera can be displayed on both displays, and a toggle button for the two preset positions. Audio level control. Pretty simple. And we can do other versions of these rooms. We've done many with industrial floor switches, so they can change their camera view and preview monitors and recording and all sorts of things. But yeah, that's a little bit of a look-see at an upgrade to an existing food tech partial upgrade. We hid the rack and equipment up in the ceiling through a manhole. I think you can see some of it here. So hopefully that helps, and I look forward to giving a hand. Get in touch. Thank you. Bye.